Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
I no spirit. One more time. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
And you?
I'm fine too. Thank you. So, captain of the class, Danny, please lead us to pray together before we study.
Before study, let's pray together. Start. Finish.
Right. Thank you, Danny, the captain, for leading us to pray together. Are you ready to study English?
Ready.
Oh, no spirit. One more time. Are you ready to study English?
Ready.
Right. So let's take a look. 3, 2, 1, go. If you want to make planting beds, clap your hands. Okay. Like so. Seperti itu ya. Kalian juga boleh ikut nyanyi. Okay, let's try again. 3, 2, 1. If you want to make planting beds, clap your hands. If you want to make planting beds, clap your hands. If you want to make planting beds and you really want to do it, you will need cultivator measuring tape. Jainuddin is not here. Misak, Arum,
Rahman.
Syahdan,
Rahman.
Rahman. How many students?
Misak.
5 students are absent today. Okay. Alright, class. Before we start our main lesson, Mr. would like to review our last material. In order, secara urut ada name of the host, pemilik acara. Second one, phrasing the invitation. Third one, date. Now I want you to open your Google Chrome and type on the search line quizzes. Mr. will give you the code to enter to the learning. Enter this code 891586. Now I want you to look at the picture. Coba perhatikan gambar yang ada di layar masing-masing itu. What do you see? Bedengan. Related to your competency. Berkaitan dengan jurusan kalian. Agribisnis, tanaman pangan, dan hortikultura. What about the second picture? What do you see? Chili. In English, that's chili. Okay. Selain chili ada apa lagi? What else can you see? Mulch. Mulsa, mulch. Next. Stick. Like stick. Upright stick. Okay, upright stick. Next. What else can you see? Rope. Where's the rope? I see. Okay, I see the rope. Next one. Do you see any planting bed? Ada bednya nggak di situ?
Yes.
Bed. The bed is covered by the mulch. Benar ya? Bedengannya tertutupi oleh mulsa. Okay, good. Next picture. This is the learning objectives that we have to master today. So class, let me tell you, as you can see on your screen, sebagaimana yang terlihat di layar. So here is the problem. So listen up. The problem is, Mr. would like to plant chili, tomato, corn, and many more crops, but Mr. has no idea about how to create or how to make planting beds. Paham mengenai permasalahannya?
Paham.
Okay, I want you to create a procedure, just like tools yang diperlukan apa, kemudian materials we need apa, and then the steps. Bagaimana cara membuat bedengan? Because I search on the internet so many sources, they make me confused. So I want you to help me out to create procedures on how to make planting beds. Okay? But I want you to make it working in a group. Belajarnya atau membuatnya dalam kelompok ya.
Ya.
Okay?
Okay.
This group 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, this is one group. Okay, understand? Okay, guys, I want you now to create the steps of how to make planting beds. Okay? Can we start now? Can we start? Bisa kita mulai?
Yes.
I see no spirit today. So, if you want to make planting beds, clap your hands. Okay. Alright. Sekarang upload ya. Now you can upload your work. The link I have provided on quizzes. So you need to go back to quizzes. Click on the link. Then you can upload your file. Alright. Mr. also checks how active you are in the group discussion. Your attitude, your knowledge, and your skill will be the subject to this assessment. Alright, jadi penilaian sikap, pengetahuan, dan keterampilan Mr. laksanakan selama kegiatan diskusi. Alright, we have one. Riani and Junivera.
Is your yes, I know English.
You can use Google Translate to do this work for you. Install, merge, prepare tools, budget. Okay, let's see. The tools. Who? Masjid, plywood, rope. Alright class, we have come to presentation time. So I want you to present your works in front of the class. The first group to present is Junivera and Rian. Please come forward.
Good morning, class.
Morning.
My name is Riani and Junivera. We want to present how to make beds.
And 1. Install mouse, prepare tool and matter. And 2. Remove the grass that is on the land where the bed will be made. And 3. After clean the hoe. 4. After the hoe is finished, the bed hit mat. 5. The bed has been kept play. And thank you. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, class.
Morning.
My name is Radit Febriansa. He is Abimanyu. He is Muhammad Tani. Steps 1. Number 1. First, prepare the land. Number 2, loosen the soil until it is bladed up to 1 meter width and 10 meter long. Number 3, put mulch on top of the beds we have made. Number 4, make holes in the mulch with the pipe that we have formed like a sharp circular saw. Number 5, sprinkle manure on every hole. Number 6, sprinkle the seeds that we want to plant in each hole in the bed that we have forward. Okay, thank you.
Good morning, class.
Morning.
My name's Aulia, and he is my friend, Dimas, and he is Ega and Sepri. We want to present how to make beds. The tools who sickle, measuring tape, hand tractor, and the material soil, manure, and mulch. How to make a bed. Prepare the tools to make the beds that have been provided. Then measure the land you want to make bed.
My name is Febri. This is Inul and C. Hesti.
Step: clean the area from grass. Measure the dimension of bed's length and width. Put the rod along the perimeter. Start excavating the area by using hoe. Ask hand tractor to break down the soil.
Alright class, you just present your works on how to make beds. I want every group, you go to the internet or you can ask the English teachers about how to pronounce English words correctly. Ya tadi Mr. koreksi masih ada beberapa yang keliru dalam pengucapan. So I want you to go to internet to solve this problem yourself. If you find difficulties, you can ask Mr. Mr. will help you correct your pronunciation, okay? Right, thank you very much. Alright class, now go back to your quizzes and we will do reflection for this learning. The code is 904386. We have come to an end, so this is the end of our meeting. Before we end this meeting, Mr. would like to invite you to make conclusion. Jadi kita buat kesimpulan sebelum kita tutup. So how to make beds? Okay, let me say thank you for helping me solving my problem. I don't know how to make beds, so I need your help to create me procedures on how to make beds. So kesimpulan. Jadi on how to make beds, we need, yang kita perlukan apa? First, tools. Okay, we need tools and then we need materials. Dan yang ketiga adalah steps. That's how to make procedure text. Okay, you give people knowledge or information about how to do something. Let's sing together before we end this meeting. Okay? If you want to make planting beds, clap your hands. Captain, please.
Before we go home, let's pray together. Star. Finish.